Welcome back, everyone. If you're into cars or just curious about the latest in American muscle, you're in for a treat today. Let's get into the full details of the 2026 Mustang, a car that blends its legendary past with some serious modern updates to make it more powerful, stylish, and smarter than ever. The first thing you notice is the design. The 2026 Mustang keeps that classic, aggressive vibe but sharpens everything up, from the redesigned front end with sleeker LED lights to the sculpted sides that give it a faster, more aerodynamic feel. It still looks like a Mustang, no doubt, but with a more refined and futuristic edge. The new wheel options also add a lot to the personality of each trim, whether you're going for street style or full-track performance. Now let's talk performance. The Mustang still gives you options under the hood. The base model offers a turbocharged 2.3-liter four-cylinder that's been tweaked for better torque and quicker response. It's got solid power for everyday fun and better fuel efficiency than you'd expect. But the real magic starts with the GT version. This beast carries a 5.0-liter V8, now pushing out over 500 horsepower. It's smoother, louder, and more exciting than ever before. The transmission has been tuned for quicker shifts, and even though it's a muscle car at heart, it manages fuel better thanks to smarter engineering. For the real thrill seekers, the dark horse version is back and better. This one is made for track lovers, with stronger cooling systems, tighter suspension, aggressive styling, and a proper 6-speed manual gearbox that gives you total control. It's loud, it's raw, and it feels like a race car on the road. Inside the cabin, the Mustang has stepped way up. The interior now feels premium, with soft touch materials, upgraded seating options, and a stunning curved digital display that merges the instrument cluster and center touchscreen. It's all run by Ford's newest tech platform, and it's fast, customizable, and easy to use. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and even the voice commands actually work well now. One of the coolest features is the new digital cluster design. You can switch between different layouts, including retro Mustang gauges and modern racing themes. There's even launch control and burnout modes for drag strip action. The driving experience overall is way more responsive. Whether you're on a casual drive or pushing it hard, the Mustang stays planted and confident thanks to improved suspension and smart drive modes. It also includes updated safety features like adaptive cruise, lane keeping, blind spot alerts, and even some hands-free driving on highways. Ford has really gone the extra mile to make this a performance car that's also smart and safe. That wraps up our full look at the 2026 Mustang. It's bold, powerful, and packed with tech, a real evolution of the classic muscle car. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment telling me your favorite feature, and of course, subscribe to the channel for more awesome car content. See you next time.